Guys, we are back with another video. In this video, I will tell you about the stories behind the successful stores, and we will also discuss how they get on top. Anyways, if you wanna know any information, then comment below. Okay, we are gonna let's start this video. You can see the store which name is Press London. Press London founders George and Eddie developed a love for cold pressed juices and had come to rely on them as a convenient, delicious, and healthy part of their diets. The result, a Shopify store by the name Press London. This Shopify shop is committed to providing juices that are not only a source of daily enjoyment but also helps you meet our daily nutrition requirements. Okay, if you gonna know, by using cold pressure we make our raw products safe and alive with enzymes and nutritions. We never heat, treat, or pasteurize. We never add preservatives, sugar, or nasties. We take the whole fresh fruit, press it, filter it, mix it, and bottle it. All like cold pressed. Research has proven that if you gonna know about the vitamin content diminishes over time in normal juice compared to cold pressed juice, whether it's a pure veggie hit in the morning and a ginger shot in the afternoon to boost energy, or a berry smoothie on go. We are healthy companion to your day. Okay, we will tell you about these stories. Okay, we source the highest quality fruit and wheat from gap global certified farms, including the wonky ones, to ensure we deliver consistent quality products that are safe, ethically sourced, and set the standard. Ethically sourced conscious farming practices. And if you wanna know about this store, and basically this store is your press will continue to deliver positive tangible change to more people's lives every day. And the old street tube station, their mission to become the biggest health food brand globally. They brought the concept back to London and sold their first juices out of a bathtub in Old Street Tube Station. I hope if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video and don't forget to hit the bell icon button.